Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard from the BTNHD. And what is TikTok? Seriously, what is it? Okay, so it's a teen app that's becoming super popular very fast. TikTok is so popular that during the 2020 Super Bowl, a commercial aired advertising the product. So what is TikTok? It's another video sharing application that allows people to post videos and use popular soundtracks with Snapchat style filters, like morphing your face and creating intriguing visual effects on your phone. People can follow other accounts and create feeds on new content from creators that they enjoy the most. It's an ongoing cycle in creating content. It also has a For You feed with random videos from others that offer endless new stuff to watch, which makes TikTok very addictive. TikTok is an intriguing video platform becoming very popular with today's teenage generation. I got sucked into this TikTok thing during one of the practice, or when I was ending the track and field practice for Benswick, and a group of kids had a phone. I thought they was Instagramming or doing something crazy with Twitter or whatever, or Vine. And they had music in the back and they were dancing all crazy. And I asked one of the athletes what they were doing, and they told me they was using TikTok, and she broke it down to me, and I looked at her feed and she was like getting all these hits and likes. I was like, wow, this is pretty exciting. So overall, you guys got to understand, like, come on. It has everything to satisfy our lives and making us love, laugh, hate, participate, and judge others in one centralized app. One nice thing about TikTok is that it allows new content creators with small followings to have a voice and become viral stars out of nowhere overnight. And that's it, guys. That is what TikTok is all about. It allows you to share videos to your followers, and your followers are allowed to add more silly stuff on top of your content. It's non-stop sharing videos and just acting crazy. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Leave comments right below. I do have an account. It is TikTok/BTNHD. I will add like a little subtitle right here. I haven't added anything yet, so hopefully I will. And make sure you guys follow me on that. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Oh, before you guys leave, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share out the video. And catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.